Hi guys, it's Alicja here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw lips. Not any lips, semi-realistic lips. And if you don't know what it is, it's basically something like this, like not really realistic, not really cartoonish, just something in between, I guess. I don't know. I'm just calling it semi-realistic. And if you like drawings like this, if you like style like this, then make sure to subscribe to my channel because that's what we are doing here. So I'm going to show you step by step how I draw lips like this, and to be honest, it's really easy. It's a really short process. I hope I can help you with it. Alright, so I'm going to replicate those lips. The first step is making outline of the shape. If you are watching my videos for a longer time, you would know that I like to make outlines because it helps you define the overall shape. Like, I don't know, it just makes the composition better or something. I don't know, it helps me. So I hope you see it. I'm going to do it slightly darker. Just like really lazy outline, doesn't have to be anything pretty, like just make a quick outline. Now what we're going to do is define the corners of the lips. Here, here. All right, now we are going to add some round shapes to define where is the roundness in those lips. Do it like this. And you don't have to use 4 circles, just use whatever makes it easier for you to understand the drawing, you're drawing your shapes and everything. Okay, so we have this. Now what we're going to do, oops. All right, now we have all the bases, and what we're going to do is make it lighter so you can still see it, but it won't be like a distraction. Make a new layer above, and I'm still just using this sketch line art brush. Basically can be used for a lot of things. Alright, so I'm just kind of drawing over, but now I'm more thinking about how the whole drawing will look like. So I will try to draw this first, like alright. There's something off. I'm just going to do it again. Remember, it's really always totally alright to make mistakes or to just feel like it's not exactly what you want, so you can change it. It's totally alright. Okay, now the bottom lip, and this one is really dark, so alright, that's it. Now we're going to add those two. And right here we have the base sketch is on like 30% opacity and the line art is done. Now we are basically halfway there. Now it's only coloring, which I also keep pretty simple. So let's go under both of those layers. This is the line art, this is the sketch, and this is where you're going to be coloring. Alright, I can just take colors from those drawings, but if you have some trouble with choosing colors and if you would want to learn from me how I choose colors, I have a tutorial about it, how to color the right way, how to shade the right way. So make sure to check it out. So I'm just going to take this color, I'm taking my extra smooth edges coloring and just fill it in. Now I'm taking the airbrush that everyone has under Procreate. I'm taking a darker, more saturated color, making it darker from inside. Okay. Now the step that I find really important is making another layer above this layer and choosing one of those saturated colors. Just use this brush, right? Okay. And using it like this under the line art. Okay, now I'm erasing that line art that I didn't like. I'm making this slightly lighter too. Going back to this layer, making it slightly darker. Now the only thing left is the highlights, and I'm going here above the sketch layer, above the line art layer, and I'm taking my gloss free brush from my cartoonish makeup brush set, just a white color. I'm doing like this easy shape, just like on the original drawing. That's it. That's the only highlight this drawing has. So yeah, we're done, and now let's go. Alright, so this is it. Those are the final result. As you can see, they are basically the same, and that's because this process is really easy and I have done it a lot of times already, so I hope you will find it easy too. And if you found this helpful, if you like this tutorial, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below about anything. It helps the algorithm and I would really appreciate it. Every comment, every like is really very appreciated, and I love you all for supporting my channel. Make sure to subscribe to my channel too, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.